Hello po muli sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa Thank God It's a Friday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon po ay June 25, 2021 at kahapon po ay nalaman po natin ang isang malungkot na balita na pumanaw ng dating Pangulong Noynoy Aquino. Tayo po ay nakikidalamhati sa kanyang pagpanaw. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. Nire-report ko rin po yung latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang news po natin ay tungkol sa Philippine data centers at may special segment po tayo tungkol sa former President Noynoy Aquino at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, June 25, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, umpisa na po natin. From the business world, surge seen in Philippine data centers. The Philippines is attracting expansive data center interest in anticipation of further e-commerce demand, business leaders said in a forum on Thursday. The lockdowns declared in response to the coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic has led to increased online shopping from customers working from home. Representatives from technology and professional services firms said that the Asia CEO Forum that they expect heightened the demand to continue. Some companies now in the Philippines are now in the process of building mega data centers in Manila in the Philippines, anticipating the surge in demand for data driven by increased e-commerce activities. PwC Philippines Chairman and Assurance Managing Partner Roderick Danao said, the Philippines, he said, is still lagging behind countries like Vietnam in terms of e-commerce value. John Gonzalez, Vice President and Head for the Enterprise Digital Solutions at PLDT Enterprise, said that there are growth opportunities in the country given its consumer-centric economy. Now, may I share with you the commentary of BDO Nomura on that news item. Ang sabi po ni BDO Nomura ay the continuous investment in data centers should enhance the service capabilities of telco players, especially amid rising digitalization trends. We have buy ratings on Tel and Converge while we are neutral on Glow. The rising demand for data centers, office transactions according to Collier's data, will also benefit the office sector. So, ang magbe-benefit dito ay yung office developers, Ali, MEG, RLC, and FLI. So, after this, in honor of the passing away of President Aquino, may I share with you an article from Wikipedia po ito. Okay, ang sabi po dito, well, brief history lang po dun sa life ng former President Noynoy Aquino. He was born on February 8, 1960 to Benigno Aquino Jr. and Corazon Aquino. And according to Time, in 2013, Time named him one of the 100 most influential people in the world. And after leaving office, Aquino was the subject of legal actions over his role on the Mama Sapano encounter and the approval of a controversial budget project. Noynoy was born in the FEU Hospital in Manila, and he is the third of 5 children, and he has 4 sisters, si Balsi, Pinky, Viel, and Chris. He attended Ateneo de Manila University in Quezon City, and he finished his Bachelor of Arts major in economics at Ateneo in 1981. He was one of the students of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. He was elected to the House of Representatives in 1998, and he served as congressman from 1998 to 2007. From 2007 to 2010, he was elected senator. In 2010, he proclaimed his bid for the presidency and won the 2010 presidential elections. From there, he was president from 2010 to 2016. Now, some of the highlights of his career was that, one of his policies was that he had this no wang-wang policy. So, yung wang-wang kasi is yan yung mga sirena or mga blaring sirens, pinagbawal niya yon. And then, yung kanyang mga criticisms, yung nagkaroon kasi ng Manila hostage crisis, yung handling noon wasn't received very well. Gayun din naman, sa kanyang term, dumating yung Typhoon Yolanda na nag-devastate sa Visayas region. And of course, we know the Mama Sapanos massacre, yung 44 SAF soldiers who died in that encounter. So after he ended his term as president, he led a quiet life until his death yesterday, June 24, 2021. So that's our short segment on President Noynoy Aquino and his life. So let's now go to what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange today. The PSEI gained 64.51 points. So it's a profit-taking Friday, but the index gained 64.51 points. Now, normally we don't see this. Normally in the red share. The PSEI is still bullish since our indicators are under the candlestick, and the RSI is 64.89, which is a bullish number. Yung market activity naman, 118 companies advanced, 88 declined, while 44 remained unchanged. The all-share index also exhibited an increase of 0.71%, while all the sectoral indices are in the green, led by mining at 1.03%. Led by services at 1.4%. Let's now review the top 10 stocks. Now, we will be reviewing Ali. Skip natin si Monde muna. ICT. And then let's skip ACEN. Let's do EAGEL, RLT, SECB, SMPH, BDO, Converge, and JFC. So let's now go to the first stock, Ali. Okay, Ali had a red candlestick today, losing 10 centavos to end at 37. Pero yung formation ng ating indicators is still bullish as our moving averages are under the candlestick, with RSI at 56, which is also bullish. Yung ating resistance level for Ali would be here at 38.30. Ito po yung area of resistance niya. While the support ay nandito po sa area ito na 36 to 36.10. Now, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Now, after Ali will be ICT. Wow! Tingnan mo yan, no? Pataas ng pataas siya. And this 20-day exponential moving average is serving as a support. Yan po, kasi if we will be drawing a channel for ICT, it follows the 20-day exponential moving average. Diyan siya nagbabounce lagi. Or within that area. So it gained 5 pesos to end at 164. And this is already the highest level that ICT has. So I cannot say, or I cannot project the resistance level nung stock. Instead, what I can say is that the support level would be our 20-day exponential moving average, currently at 153.17. And then ACEN, another red candlestick. So third red candlestick na po ito. Pero bullish pa rin po yung stock as there seemed to be a rejection of the price in the 20-day exponential moving average of 8 pesos. Nare-reject po siya dyan. Plus, the RSI is bullish at 57. So bullish pa rin po ito. And the next resistance level ay nandito po sa 920 to 930 po. Yung next resistance level ni ACEN. And after that, anything goes kasi that is the highest level already. And then after ACEN, we'll take a look at EAGEL. San Miguel po ito. Uy, tumaas si EAGEL. And meron siyang volume. So at one point, it went as high as 1590 before settling at 1528 rather. The stock is already overbought at 89. Pagka lumagpas po sa 70, overbought na po ang stock. So ingat lang po tayo dahil overbought na po, and the nearest support for EAGEL would be here. Dito po sa 1450 to 1460. Nearest support po niya. Then after EAGEL, RLT. Okay, RLT. Nagkaroon siya ng gap up, but it closed lower than the opening price. It opened at 47, closed at 45. Kaya red candlestick po ito. However, ang basis po ng positive or green data here is the closing price of the previous day. Kasi nag-close po yung previous day at 39.5 centavos. Now it's 45, so or 5.5 centavos higher. Kaya po green ang font niya dito, pero please take note, ay meron po siya ditong gap that has to be filled. Nagkaroon siya ng gap up, kumbaga. So ang mangyayari po dyan is that sometime in the future, that gap will have to be filled. Dalawa po yung gap na na-form. Isa dito at isa dito. Yan po. And in the future, that gap will have to be filled. RSI is already overbought. Now, Philippine Realty, ano nga ba yung news natin dito? Tingnan natin kung merong news, ha. Ang sabi niya is, nagkaroon ng swap, tax-free exchange of properties for share between Philippine Realty and Holdings and Green Hills Properties. The transaction involved the transfer from GPI favor of the company of 2 vacant lots in Bonifacio Global City. In exchange for properties that it received, RLT will issue, binayaran siya ng shares ng RLT, binayaran ni Green Hills. So, Green Hills Properties bought into RLT. Nagkaroon siya ng bagong investor, kumbaga. Kaya tumaas ang shares ni Philippine Realty or RLT. So after RLT, SECB. Okay, SECB ended in the red, 117.50. So bearish na po itong stock dahil yung ating mga indicators are already above the candlestick. So nasa resistance level, support level na po siya. And the next support level after that, nakikita ko po dito sa area nito at 115.90 to 115 or 116. Bearish na po siya at 38, yung RSI niya. So pababa na po yung stock. Now, today is a profit-taking day, Friday. So abangan po natin sa Lunes on what will happen. Pero puro red candlesticks na po ito. So most probably bearish na po yung dating ng stock na SECB. And then SMPH. Okay, SMPH continues to move higher. It's the 5th consecutive candlestick. And it is already bullish. SM Prime Coast Guard clean up a portion. Okay. SM Mall unveils solar rooftop facility. This is for. So the resistance is here at 37 or 38 pesos, while the support ilagay po natin dito sa area nito. Actually, support level na po ito sa 36 pesos. Then as a SMPH, after SMPH would be BDO. Umakyat ng konti siguro ito. Yan. Actually, nag-recover lang po siya from 2 successive red candlesticks. And the stock is still bullish, ha? Kasi nga, yung nearest resistance niya nandito po. 118. Actually, 115 is a resistance level na ngayon ay support. So, pinakamalapit is 118. Then, after that is mga 126 na. Yung next resistance level ni BDO. And then, Converge. Okay, Converge. Nag-profit taking siya today. Ending at 21.17, losing 90 centavos. But it is still bullish. RSI is bullish at 56. So, ang Converge, nandito po yung highest level niya. Nandito po sa, tingnan natin, 23.45, ano? Which was only on June 17. Yan yung 52-week high niya. Kaya po yung ating resistance would be at somewhere at 23 to 23.10. Yun po yung resistance level niya. And yung support level niya ay nandito po sa 21.40 to 21.50. Then finally, we have JFC. Si JFC, maraming magandang balita. So it continues to move higher. Although fundamentally, ang kanyang pressure is just in 176 or 175 lang, ano? Pero neutral nga si BDO Nomura dito eh. Pero technically, it is moving up. No? RSI is also moving up. So, market sentiment lang ang driver nito. Plus, good news on their expansion plans. Ano? Anong sabi niya dito sa news? Meron siyang news dito. Jollibee Foods announced today that JFC and its subsidiaries Fresh and Famous Foods and Mang Inasal has entered into a license agreement with Milk Shop. Ito yung sa Taiwan. A popular Taiwanese bubble tea brand. The agreement grants JFC, F&F, ito yung Fresh and Famous, and MI, which is MI is Mang Inasal, the exclusive rights to sell and market products under the Milk Shop brand in their stores. Oh, okay, tie-up niya ito. So, tumaas si Jollibee, gaining 4 pesos to end at 216. Pero technically po, no, maganda po yung stock kasi tingnan po yung 1 week niya. Kasi yung 52-week high niya is 223 and the next resistance nandito po sa 237.30 to 237.40. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market June 25, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend, God bless, and bye for now.